Our planet is facing a serious problem. Climate change is real. It is happening now. We see its effects everywhere. Storms are stronger, droughts last longer, sea levels are rising. These changes threaten our homes, our food and our health. We need to act quickly. We must find ways to reduce our impact on the planet. This is not just a small task. It is one of the biggest challenges humanity has ever faced. We need big ideas and bold actions to solve it. Technology can help us a lot. Innovation has always driven progress. It has solved big problems before. Think about advances in medicine or agriculture. Technology can do the same for our environment. We need new tools and new approaches. We need to make our industries cleaner. We need to use resources more wisely. Digital technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and automation offer powerful solutions. They can help us understand and manage our environmental impact in new ways. The goal is clear. We need to get to net zero greenhouse gas emissions. This means we stop adding more warming gases to the atmosphere than we can remove. It is a responsibility we all share. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a powerful tool. It can help us understand complex problems. It can find patterns that humans might miss. This is very useful for sustainability. AI can analyze huge amounts of data about resource use. It can then suggest ways to be more efficient. This means using less water, less energy, and fewer raw materials. Reducing waste is a key part of protecting our environment. AI helps us do this in very smart ways. Consider agriculture. AI can help farmers grow more food with less impact. AI systems can analyze weather data, soil conditions, and plant health. They can tell farmers exactly when and where to water their crops. They can also help apply the right amount of fertilizer. This prevents overuse, which can pollute rivers. It also saves farmers money. Smart farming powered by AI means we use land and resources more carefully. This is crucial as the world's population grows. By making our products and processes smarter, AI contributes directly to reducing our environmental footprint. It is like giving our industries a very intelligent brain focused on efficiency. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is another key technology. It refers to a network of physical devices. These devices have sensors and software. They can connect to the internet. They can collect and share data. Think of smart thermostats in homes. They learn your schedule. They adjust heating and cooling automatically. This saves energy without you even noticing. IoT brings this kind of intelligence to many different areas. It helps us monitor and control energy use much better. Smart buildings are a great example. IoT sensors can track occupancy, light levels, and temperature throughout a building. This data is used to optimize energy consumption. Lights can turn off automatically in empty rooms. Heating and cooling can be adjusted based on real-time needs. This significantly reduces energy waste in commercial and residential buildings. Buildings are a major source of emissions. Making them smarter with IoT is a big step towards sustainability. IoT gives us the eyes and ears to see where resources are being wasted. Then we can take action to stop it. Section 4. Automation's role: streamlining processes for a greener footprint. Automation means using technology to perform tasks with less human help. This can range from simple machines to complex robotic systems. Automation plays a vital role in making industries more sustainable. Automated systems are often more precise and consistent than human operators. This precision can lead to significant reductions in waste. It can also improve energy efficiency. When processes are streamlined, we use fewer resources to achieve the same output. This is good for business and good for the planet. In manufacturing, robots can perform repetitive tasks with high accuracy. They can cut materials with minimal waste. They can assemble products using less energy. Automated quality control systems can detect defects early. This prevents faulty products from being shipped. It avoids the resources wasted in making and transporting those products. Automation allows factories to run more efficiently around the clock. This can reduce the overall environmental footprint of production. It helps us make more with less. By making recycling more efficient, automation helps us move towards a circular economy. In a circular economy, we reuse materials instead of throwing them away. Section 5. Tech in Action: Real-World Success Stories in Sustainability. It is important to see how these technologies are working in the real world. Many companies and cities are already using AI, IoT, and automation to reduce their environmental impact. These examples show what is possible. They also provide valuable lessons for others. One well-known example comes from Google. They use AI to optimize cooling in their massive data centers. Data centers use a lot of energy, mostly for cooling the servers. Google's AI system has reduced the energy used for cooling by up to 40%. This is a huge saving. In agriculture, companies like John Deere are integrating IoT and AI into their farming equipment. Their smart tractors use GPS and sensors to plant seeds with incredible precision. They can apply fertilizer and pesticides only where needed. This reduces the amount of chemicals used. It protects waterways from runoff. It also helps farmers save money and increase their yields. Data from these machines helps farmers make better decisions year after year. This is precision agriculture in action, making farming more sustainable. The impact is measurable. The data shows that investing in green tech is not just good for the planet, it is also good for progress. Section 6. Innovating for tomorrow, the next wave of green technology. We have seen what AI, IoT, and automation can do today, but technology never stands still. The next wave of innovation promises even greater benefits for sustainability. Researchers are working on new AI algorithms. These algorithms will be even better at predicting environmental changes. They will help us manage resources with even more precision. Imagine AI that can design entirely new sustainable materials from scratch, or AI that can optimize global supply chains to minimize carbon footprints. These are not distant dreams. The Internet of Things will continue to expand. More devices will become connected. This will create even richer data sets for analysis. We might see digital twins of entire ecosystems. These would be virtual replicas of forests or oceans. Scientists could use them to model the effects of climate change. They could test different conservation strategies in the virtual world before applying them in reality. Nanotechnology could lead to new types of sensors. These sensors could detect pollutants at very low concentrations, giving us early warnings. Automation will also evolve. We will see more advanced robots. These robots will be capable of performing complex tasks in challenging environments. Section 7. A path forward. Embracing technology for environmental stewardship. The technologies we have discussed, AI, IoT, and automation, offer powerful tools. They can help us tackle the urgent challenge of climate change. They can help us use resources more wisely. They can help us reduce emissions. They can help us build a more sustainable economy. The potential is clear, but technology alone is not enough. We need more than just good ideas and clever gadgets. We need a concerted effort from everyone. Governments need to create supportive policies. This includes investing in research and development for green technologies. It means putting a price on carbon to incentivize emission reductions. It means setting clear targets and regulations. Businesses need to embrace sustainability as a core part of their strategy. They need to invest in cleaner processes and products. They need to be transparent about their environmental impact. Consumers also have a role. Our choices matter. Collaboration is key. We need to share knowledge and best practices. We need partnerships between governments, businesses, and research institutions. International cooperation is also essential. Climate change is a global problem. It requires global solutions.